everyone, welcome back to Vlogadoodle. I am Sanjana and today we are going to spend a beautiful Saturday at Brazos Bend State Park Farm that's in Houston. And we have a few chores to take care of, but when we reach, we'll start off with a small hike through the park, through the scenic trails, watch a few birds and animals, and hope to spot an alligator on the way. That's the whole reason I'm going. But stay tuned, hold on tight, and it's going to be an amazing day. Smile for the camera. So we are finally here at the Brazos Bend State Park Farm, and it's very warm. You can see me sweating all over the place. This state park farm is very popular here. It's only an hour away from Houston, although there was a lot of traffic today, because again when we left it was around 5:36 and we reached here almost 6:30, 5:30 to 6:30, 1 hour. And post that we had to drive. Once we did an entry, they gave us a few maps, and we came here to this place. The trail where the trail starts is it's like 15 to 20 minutes drive, so we drove really slow. The wildlife here is crazy. There's a lot of wildlife here. There are a lot of boards where they show, it's written that you need to be aware of alligators and you cannot feed the wildlife. So we are hoping to catch a few glimpses of that. So come along with me. I hope you enjoy as much as I am enjoying right now. So yeah, let's get started. You can see there are a lot of benches like this along the trail, so people of all ages, the hikers, they can take their rest and get on with their hike once they're done. So that's really a good provision here. Not sure if you can see it on this camera, but it's really nice. So they give you two maps when you enter the trail, but along the trail as well, you can see a lot of maps that can help you if you feel like you're losing the way. But when it's still sunny out, you can still see a lot of people on the trail itself. So you can probably ask them. If not, you can follow the way through the maps. So it's either way, it's easy. It's 7:30 almost, and I can see a lot of people out and about this trail, and the sounds, so many. Oh, I think I just spotted an alligator. How cool is that? It's kind of better to stay in the middle of the trail road. As you can see, on both the sides of the road is the swamplands, so you can get alligators on both the sides of the road. So it's better to be careful than to be sorry. Man, no wonder people call it the golden hour, because can you see, this light is absolutely brilliant. How beautiful is this? This is a fishing lake, but there are a lot of regulations here as to the daily bag and length limits, how many fishes that you can fish in this, and also the length of each fish that you can, up to which you can take away home. This is the fishing lake. The sun is almost about to set now, although there is a beautiful orangish hue at the moment, and I think the birds are all returning to their nests, but you can still hear a lot of noise, pitter patter, chitter chatter everywhere. So it's really peaceful, it's really calm, and I think I would love to visit here once again during the day, once again experience the serenity around here. We've now completed the hike around the M Lake Loop. It's about 1.7 miles. Is fairly easy, very beautiful hike. Although it's been very hot, very warm up here, and it was a little difficult because of the heat, because of the warmth. At least it wasn't as much as sunny as before. but it was a very beautiful trail overall. Considering that we came very late in the evening and today was an exceptionally warm Saturday, so this trail was less crowded than what we had expected. We are now heading to the parking lot and we came across this observation deck. Since it is getting very dark very quick right now, I may not be able to show it, but there are designated resting areas and dining areas all throughout the park. This is the end of the hike. We have reached to our car. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, keep creating, keep growing, and keep exploring. Bye.